Hey crochet lover, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, I am going to show very beautiful and amazing style crochet ladies bags designs ideas. Hope so you like this video. Hope so you like this all the different collection, all the different ideas. Hook on style crochet bags ideas. Stitch your way to organization. Crochet bags for every need. Boho chain tie. Crochet a bag with finger and tassels. Make market basket. Create a basket bag for grocery shopping. Hope so you like this all the different collection and different ideas. Crochet a small bag for every events and every parties. Hope so you like this different collection on different bags ideas, different purses ideas. Let's get started with me. Crochet a bag with me row by row. We will create a amazing bags. Hope so you like this different collection and different ideas. And add some details, crochet pockets, zips and steps to enhance your crochet bags more than. And you can decor your crochet bag with the help of crochet work, flowers, crochet work, different ribbons and different shapes. You decor your crochet bag with the help of stone and different beads, pearls and different accessories you use and decor your purses, bags. Hope so you like this all the different collection and different ideas. Keep watching my more different ideas till end and keep praying for me. May Allah will live long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. If you want any question, if you want any idea about these all the collections, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Choose your yarn, pick your crochet hook and knit these all the ideas easily and decor your bags and wear your bag on different parties, different events. If you want any question, if you want any idea about these all the collections, so please tell me in comment section. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my next video. You see in my description box and watch full DIY tutorial about this all the collection and watch my more different ideas about full DIY tutorials about more collection. And please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon and then press option all to let my daily routine videos that I upload daily for you. Keep watching my more different ideas till end and keep praying for me. May Allah will live long. Take care. Okay viewers, bye bye.